Activating Google Workspace Gmail with your Squarespace domain requires configuring your domain name system settings, specifically the mail exchange records, to route emails to Google's servers. Begin by purchasing and connecting a domain through Squarespace. This step allows you to manage DNS settings directly in the Squarespace dashboard. Next, sign up for Google Workspace and start the domain verification process. This often requires adding a TXT record to your DNS settings to prove you own the domain. Access your Squarespace DNS settings and add Google's MX records. These records, typically 5 in total, direct email traffic to Google's servers. Examples include aspmx.l google.com with priority 1 and alternates with varying priorities. After setting up the records, allow 24 to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate worldwide. Always back up your DNS settings before making any changes to avoid potential disruptions. Ensure smooth integration by avoiding common pitfalls. Double-check for typos in MX records and verify there are no conflicting settings with other email services. For enhanced security, add SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to authenticate your emails and prevent spoofing. If issues arise, use tools like MX Toolbox to check DNS propagation. Google's Workspace Admin Console offers guided wizards for setup. Small business migrations show that correct MX setup reduces email downtime and increases deliverability. Remember, Google's updated policies require stricter domain verification to prevent abuse. Regular monitoring using Google's Postmaster tools is essential. According to Google's 2025 data, 70% of Workspace users report improved email security post-setup and a 50% drop in spam after setup. Always test by sending an email to confirm proper routing.